Hello students. Through the TS EAMCET web option process, the candidates will have to choose their preferred colleges and courses as per his or her rank in the TS EAMCET exam. It is a very important step as the seats for admission will be allocated to the candidates on the basis of choices filled. The candidates who have verified their certificates from the helpline centers are eligible to exercise the web options through the official website of TS EAMCET. The candidates must note that there is no separate fee to exercise web options. In today's video, we'll discuss all the details with regards to the web options process of TS EAMCET, which will guide you through the process. So let's begin. If you are looking for TS EAMCET web option dates, you can find the link in the video description where you can find the complete schedule for TS EAMCET web option process. Now let us look at step-by-step process to exercise web options for TS EAMCET counseling. After the certificate verification, the very first step is to receive the login ID on the registered mobile number. When the candidates have received their login ID, they'll have to visit the official website, that is the candidate portal, and then enter their login ID and create a password. After creating the password, the candidates will have to download the list of colleges and branches first, which will help them to have a basic idea. Further, the candidates will have to take the printout of the manual entry form for rough filling of the web options. After this step is complete, the third step is to visit the candidate portal and select the colleges and courses of the candidate choice. The candidates can exercise any number of colleges and course options as they wish, although a priority number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. must be given for each colleges and branch. The last step is to save the choices filled by the candidates and take the printout of the same. The candidates can confirm their choices by clicking on the freeze options. After freezing the web option, the candidates will not be allowed to make changes in the web options. The candidates who have just saved the options and who have not clicked on freeze option can make changes before the last date. Also, if you have not freezed your option on the before the last date, then on the last date your options will be automatically frozen. Now let us look at some examples of TS EAMCET web options which will help you get an idea how you have to perform your web options online. Also note that this example is just for a reference. For example, let's say you have Aurora's Technology and Research Institute UPL, for which you have given priority number 3. In this college you want to apply for 3 courses: computer science engineering, mechanical engineering and electronics and communication engineering. So as per your preference, you will allot priority number to all these colleges. For example, here priority number 1 is given to mechanical engineering, priority 2 is given to computer science and priority 3 is given to electronics and communication science. Another college is Aurora's Engineering College, for which priority number is 1. For this college, again there are 3 courses: computer science engineering, electronics and communication and mechanical engineering. Priority 1 is given to computer science, priority 2 is given to electronics and communication and priority 3 is given to mechanical engineering. Hence, if the seats are allotted, it will see that if you have given priority number 1 to Aurora's Engineering College, then the first preference will be this college, and in this college the very first preference will be computer science engineering and then electronics and communication and in the last mechanical engineering. But if the seats are not available for this college, then your third priority number is Aurora's Technical Research Institute, for which the very first priority is mechanical engineering, second is computer, and if the seats are not vacant, then you will be given electronics and communication engineering. Now let us look who all can exercise web options in TS EAMCET for round 2 counseling. The candidates who have secured a seat in round 1 but are not interested to accept the allotment. The candidates who have not secured a seat in round 1 can exercise web option for round 2. Candidates whose certificate are verified and not exercise options in round 1. The candidates who have secured a seat but still looking for better seat allotment can also exercise web option for round 2. That's all for today. Thank you. We hope that you have got an idea of TS EAMCET web options. If you still have any queries, you can ask me the same through the provided link. Also, you can check the video description for more related articles to TS EAMCET. For more updates on TS EAMCET and other exams, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.